Hello everyone, welcome to our academy, Muraj's English Academy. Today we are going to learn the most important part of speech, verb. It is just the introduction of the verb. To go further with the classes, we need to learn verb at this stage. Verb is categorized, or verb can be classified into two. One is called main verb, and another one is called helping verb or auxiliary verb. So before going to learn about main verb and helping verb, let us see what is verb. Verb is a word or a verb phrase. Verb phrase is a word which indicates the action or event or state in a sentence. For example, I saw a tiger. I saw a tiger. In this sentence, the word saw is a verb which indicates an action. And in another sentence, it rained heavily. It rained heavily. In this sentence, the word rain is a verb and which indicates the event. She is a magician. She is a magician. In this sentence, the word is indicates the state of the subject, and the state, the condition or the position of the subject she is magician. So, verb is the most important part in the sentence, and verb is an obligatory part in the sentence, obligatory word in the sentence, because no verb, no sentence. So, we should very carefully learn how to use the verb in a sentence, because we have got so many rules in using the tense. So the verbs. And the verb is classified into, the verb is divided into main verb and helping verb. Main verb means if you take the verb like speak, this is the main verb, the main action in the sentence is speak, and with the mutation, the verb has got four formations, and one is called speak, second form spoke, third form spoken, fourth form speaking. And for our convenience, we can make them like V1, V2, V3, V4. So we will learn the verbs as we start learning tenses. Every day we will learn certain number of verbs along with the tenses. And going to the helping verb is a word. Helping verb is a part of a verb phrase. For example, if you take a sentence like, she is going to Hyderabad, and another sentence, he can speak Tamil. In these two sentences, the word, this is the verb phrase, that means it is the combination of two verbs. So this is called verb phrase, and this is also called verb phrase. In this verb phrase, this is main verb and this is helping verb. At the same time, is helping verb and going is main verb. Helping verb is also known as auxiliary verb. And what is the duty of a helping verb? What is the duty of a helping verb? Helping verb helps the main verb in having time and to express possibility, and the happening of the action, how the action is happening, and when the action is happening. The time of the action and the possibility of the action can be understood with the helping verb. It is not obligatory to have helping verb in every sentence. Some sentences do not have helping verbs, but in most of the sentences in English language, it must contain a helping verb. Auxiliary verbs can also be divided into three categories. One is primary auxiliary. Primary auxiliary means the primary auxiliary means the verb which can be used both as helping verb and main verb. For example, if you take the sentence, she is going to Hyderabad. In this sentence, here the word is used as a helping verb. And coming to here, she is a musician. She is a musician. In this sentence, the word is used as a main verb. So, is a primary auxiliary. That means it can be used as both helping verb and main verb. We have got some primary auxiliaries like this. They are is, am, or, have, has, had, do, does. So these are the primary auxiliaries: is, am, or, have, has, had, do, does, and was, were. Among all these primary auxiliaries, is, am, are, was, were are known as be forms. They are known as be forms, and we will learn about be forms in a separate class. And have, has, had, do, does, is, am, are, was, were are called primary auxiliaries. And coming to the second category, auxiliaries, all the helping verbs like can, could, may, shall, should are called auxiliaries. And the third category, semi-auxiliaries. Semi-auxiliaries are the different words. They are actually main verbs. By adding the word to a main verb, it becomes a helping verb. By adding the word to a main verb, it becomes a helping verb. For example, need is a main verb. Need is a main verb. And if you add to main verb, it becomes auxiliary verb. At the same time, used is a main verb. If you add to main verb, it becomes auxiliary verb. And dare is also a main verb. If you add to that, it becomes a helping verb. So these are known as semi-auxiliary verbs. So this is the introduction of the verbs. So real journey starts once we start the sentence construction. So, but verb is the most important part of parts of speech, because no verb, no sentence. It's really impossible to make a sentence without a verb. Thank you very much for listening to this class very carefully. Thank you.